You probably done made it 5 seconds into a lash career and gave up because you was working with a tweezer that wasn't a fiber tip. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Oh my goodness. So let's get into it. Oh, this is cute. I look like a little doll. Do I look basic? Wife me now. Hey guys, and welcome to another unboxing. So in today's video, I'm going to be highlighting a black owned business, lash business, and we're going to unbox these products for the first time ever. I got sent this PR box from, this is Lash Queen, the Lash Queens. You guys can follow at the Lash Queen on Instagram, and she also sends her business card. I love seeing, to get you up to speed, in my last video I talked about black owned businesses in the lash industry and how when I went out to that conference there was not too much representation of black owned businesses that were vendors at that space. I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on these products from the Lash Queen. Quick disclaimer, I don't have any affiliate links. 100% of your dollar goes to this brand. I just wanted to use my platform to showcase this brand to the world. It's like Christmas, y'all know how I am. I love unboxing products, so let's get into it. Here we are. So this is called the Mega Black. All right, to the good stuff. 1 second drying time, 35 to 55% humidity. The shelf life on this product is 3 to 4 weeks. I think it is super cute. I love the rose gold packaging. Then we have eye patches, hydrogel eye patches. I live for eye patches. Can't get the work done without them. Oh, so cute. Oh, this is some yellow tape. I wonder what kind of hairs I could use this on. Which color theory to follow with using the yellow tape. But would it be successful using this color tape though? Because green been holding it down. Okay, a scrunchie. This is super cute. Oh, this is cute. So it's a lash tape holder. Oh, this is so pretty. I like this. I'm gonna put my tape in there and protect it. Tweezer potion. Okay, so tweezer potion. Let's see what's inside. Used for eyelash tool cleaning. We got some very nice, very nice. We got the little tweezer cleaner. I love how nicely branded and packaged everything is. It's really cute. And then if you rotate it this way. So this is great for the girls who always accidentally over dip their tweezers in the glue, and then the glue gets on the tweezers and ruins it. It gets this off real quick. It's magical. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love this. I like how it's like got, I'm like holding it up, but I really like the way that like the rhinestones are not only like silver, but it has like this shimmery gold effects. Like it's picking up on the shimmers and the golden, like rose goldy almost in a sense. I like this. This is so cute. My customers is gonna love. Okay girl, got your hair done, don't even know how to act. So we done went from this to this. Which one y'all think? All right, I think this is gonna be the winner. Oh, we got another bedazzled rhinestone pin because I stay right in checks and I need to make sure I keep a pin on my sets. This is nice. I think this is really cute. I guess you could use this to write the numbers on the patches possibly. This is like one of the biggest things. I'm so glad that I was given this. So I also got a tweezer. This is her fiber tip tweezers. Okay, so I told y'all before, fiber tips are really taking over. So this is the fiber tip tweezer. I'm gonna hold this closer so you guys can see. So this is what I would use this tweezer for. I would use this to pick up. I'm left-handed, so that's why you guys see me holding it in my left hand. But these are really good for picking up, it looks like. Now I love using curved tweezers to actually isolate hairs, but you could definitely use this for making fans. Apparently that's why it's a fiber tip, to make sure that you can be able to make your fans, doing the pinching technique. And I want to know the grip on these. Now she messing with my emotions right now. Hold on, because y'all know how I feel about the browns. She gave us brown. Hold on. Okay now y'all. Ooh, Oh, and I've been needing this color. Y'all see this? This is so nice. Okay. I'm just gonna take one out real quick to see this grip. I don't even want to mess with these. Oh, these browns. And I got a black one too. Okay, so lay this real quick for y'all. I'm laying it right here on camera, so, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull off. I know this angle is weird, but this is just for display so y'all can see. Oh. Y'all see how that picked up? Oh shoot, hold on. Ooh, why this just fan real good? And let me go ahead and try it. It spread it really nice and the tip is skinny. Ooh. Ooh. This is not a dirty blonde. This is more of a brown shade that'll go great. I'm gonna put a few pictures of women that will look really good with this color, okay? So this is for women who have more cooler undertone in their hair, not too warm. This is one of those darker shades of browns. I would not put this on anyone who is a dirty blonde. I would actually go for a dirty blonde shade if you were looking to color match. These are so freaking cute. So, oh my god, these tweezers making them spread so freaking good. Hey, now I'm ready to go to work tomorrow. We got this eye mask. So this is so cute. This is really pretty. So pretty. I'm not gonna put this on. I definitely know that there is somebody out there that is struggling to keep their lashes together because they cannot sleep without sleeping on their face in the middle of the night. What is wrong? Why do you sleep so aggressive? Okay, so we have another. Oh, she gave us a cute brush. This is a really pretty accessory to clean your lashes with. And then I'm going to showcase, let's see, what is this? Maybe you could put the sleep mask in it or something. I don't know, but this is really cute. I think it's always cute to have little. Or maybe you could put the mirror inside. Maybe protect the mirror. Yeah, possibly. This is really nice. So that's all for this, guys. Thank you so much, Lash Queen, for gifting me these products. I hope that in some way this also helps grow your business. Where is she? This brand is a store, by the way, so you don't have to just order online and wait. You can actually pick it up, anything that you need in the store, which is something that has been very popular now. Lash stores opening up and supplies inside of those stores so that you guys can be able to, you know, not have to wait. Everything don't gotta come from Amazon. I understand that they're fast, but support your local businesses. That's what keeps your neighborhoods good, right? She's located in North Carolina, Greensboro, North Carolina. Greensboro, stand up in the comments, okay? And when I do come out there, I'm gonna come out there and I'm gonna be right at this studio and I'm gonna let y'all know. I've been fixing to get to North Carolina for a minute, so I'm excited for this. I'm excited to be gifted products from a black-owned business. I know how hard it is to start a business, grow a business, and then being a black-owned business in the lash industry, and a lot of black-owned businesses don't get much highlight or shout outs or light. So I'm happy to be able to use my platform to be able to showcase this business, and I hope you guys support this brand. Let me know in the comment section. I would love to do a whole series highlighting more lash beauty brands that are ran by black women and black men too, because I know there's some out there that ran by black men. Talk about different products, the importance of having certain products in your lash kit, and I think that it is amazing to always be able to support everyone, but this one is definitely for this young lady's black-owned businesses in your lash kit. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe because we almost at 100K and I'm not finna play with y'all. And then don't forget to give this video a like, share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.